Alright, the first thing we're going to do is learn the product rule so that we have more in our calculus arsenal. The product rule states the product of two differentiable functions f and g is itself differentiable. Moreover, the derivatives of f g is the first function times the derivative of the second plus the second function times the derivative of the first. So, you have a mistake on your note sheet. There should not be an equals after the ddx, so just take that off and represent it as I have shown. The derivative with respect to x here is going to be the first function times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. Okay? That right there is the product rule in action. We can prove it by using our limit definition of the derivative. Your book proves it quite nicely if you want to give that a look. So here I have this product rule, and we'll just take a look at it as we use our first example. So h prime of x is equal to the first function, 2, and then we have this x squared, times the derivative of the second. Well, the derivative of the second is 4, plus the second function, 5 plus 4x, times the derivative of the first, which is 3 minus 4x. Now, pretty soon we'll simplify that until the cows come home and do all of that stuff, but right now we're just trying to employ the product rule. The first function times the derivative of the second, plus the second function times the derivative of the first. Hope that works. Now, let's look at the next example. I'll keep showing that product rule. So example 2, y is equal to my first function, which is 3x squared, times the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x, plus my second function, well that's not, times the derivative of the sine x, which is cosine x, whoopsie, plus the second function, sine x, times the derivative of the first. So we would have 6x. That would be cleaned up to be 3x squared cosine x plus 6x sine x. Now, right now, you don't have to worry about cleaning it up. But down the road, I bet we'll be setting it equal to 0 and seeing when we might have the derivative being undefined. But let's not worry ourselves with that right now. Let's take a look at example 3. And again, I will bring that product rule to us. Notice in this example, I'm going to have to employ the product rule right here, and then just take the derivative of minus 2 sine x right there. So y is equal to my 2x times the derivative of cosine x, which is minus sine x, plus my cosine x times the derivative of 2x, which is 2, minus 2 cosine x, the derivative of minus 2 sine x. Now, let us clean this up. Here I'm going to get equals minus 2x sine x plus 2 cosine x minus 2 cosine x. Wow! Doesn't that just simplify to minus 2x sine x? I do love this country. Now, I think I'm going to stop the video and you'll look at part 2. Oh my gosh. Okay.